Perched gracefully on a gentle hillside, this Swiss-style stone cottage is the embodiment of a peaceful mountain retreat, timeless, solid, and filled with charm. Its façade, made of rugged natural stone in varying shades of ash gray and weathered brown, tells a quiet story of enduring strength and quiet elegance. The stones are irregular and imperfect, hand-laid to reflect centuries of Alpine craftsmanship, giving the cottage a rich texture that both contrasts and complements the soft curves of the rolling hills around it. A sharply pitched roof, finished in dark timber shingles, rises confidently above the cottage like a sturdy alpine hat. In the winter, it's ready to catch the snow; in summer, it frames the blue sky and shades the walls below. Delicate wooden eaves extend outward, their carved ends decorated with subtle Swiss folk motifs, floral swirls and heart shapes tucked like secrets beneath the roofline. Tiny birdhouses and hanging lanterns dangle gently, catching the breeze and adding life to the stillness. The windows, framed in thick wood with deep sills, are adorned with classic wooden shutters, painted a deep forest green or alpine red. These shutters aren't just for show, they're meant to close tight against mountain winds and open wide to welcome the morning sun. Beneath many of them are flower boxes overflowing with blooms, bright red geraniums, trailing edelweiss, and soft blue lobelias, echoing the vibrant spirit of traditional Swiss chalets. The front door is arched and welcoming, made of heavy oak with intricate iron hardware. Its surface is smooth from use, the handle warm to the touch. A small, heart-shaped cutout in the wood gives a peek into the cottage's warm, glowing interior. Stone steps lead up to it, bordered by clusters of thyme, alpine daisies, and low-growing herbs that release their scent with every footfall. The front door is arched and welcoming, made of heavy oak with intricate iron hardware. Its surface is smooth from use, the handle warm to the touch. A small, heart-shaped cutout in the wood gives a peek into the cottage's warm, glowing interior. Stone steps lead up to it, bordered by clusters of thyme, alpine daisies, and low-growing herbs that release their scent with every footfall. This cottage is not just a place to stay, it's a place to exhale. A sanctuary tucked between earth and sky. It offers the kind of quiet you can feel in your chest, the kind of stillness that soothes the soul. Whether for a peaceful morning coffee, a crackling fire by night, or a long weekend wrapped in wool and silence, the Swiss-style stone cottage on the hill is the perfect retreat, simple, magical, and endlessly comforting.